In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Binance Coin, also known as BNB SmartChain, using Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet is an easy-to-use crypto wallet where you can store, buy, and exchange cryptocurrencies. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to open the Trust Wallet app on your device. If you're seeing the Trust Wallet interface for the first time, don't worry, it's very user-friendly. Once you have the app open, you'll notice several key features prominently displayed on the home screen. These features include options like send, swap, fund, and sell. Beneath these options, you'll also see the tokens that you currently hold within your wallet. To start the process of buying BNB SmartChain, you'll want to click on the Fund option. This is your gateway to adding more cryptocurrency to your wallet. With that, you'll be directed to a new page where you can select Buy Crypto. Upon selecting this option, you'll arrive at the I Will Buy section of the app. Here, you'll need to specify what you're aiming to purchase, which in our case is the BNB SmartChain. Next, you'll enter the amount of BNB you wish to buy. Be mindful of how much you'd like to invest here and double-check to make sure it fits within your budget. Once your desired amount is entered, you'll move on to payment methods. Trust Wallet offers several ways to make your purchase happen, including credit card payments, peer-to-peer or P2P transactions, and even bank transfers. This versatility is great, as it allows you to choose the payment method that you're most comfortable with, and in some cases, can help you avoid high fees. After you've settled on the payment method, it's time to select a network. This is a crucial step because each payment method may work optimally with different networks. When you select the network, and if you've chosen to pay by credit card, you'll be prompted to enter your card details. Take your time with this step. Ensure the details are correct to avoid any mishaps. Once everything is entered correctly, simply follow the prompts that appear on your screen. The prompts will guide you through the final stages of the transaction effortlessly. Once you comply with on-screen instructions and confirm your purchase, the magic happens. The BNB SmartChain coins will be deposited into your Trust Wallet. And there you have it. You've successfully bought BNB SmartChain using Trust Wallet. I hope this step-by-step guide has made the process seamless and easy to understand. If you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to check the app's support resources or contact Trust Wallet support. Happy investing, and until next time, take care.